fix my hair. I've been gardening all day. Hey, it's Nicole Johnson, and I got a box to share with you. I've opened it so that it's for ease in the video. I'll always tell you that. I'm so excited. I have so much energy all day, but sometimes I like to chill out at night, and sometimes I like to do some cleaning and do some housework. And I've got so much leftover energy that I like to enjoy a cup of coffee and get excited about doing the dishes. So what do we have here? It's an unboxing of pharmacy products. This is the NutriPulse coffee. It is excellent, iced and delicious hot too. I do non-dairy creamer, ice obviously, about 2 teaspoons of that. Delicious instant coffee and grain blend. And at the end of the night, all the dishes. I'm actually excited to do them tonight. Mr. White's Bio Home dishwashing liquid. I'm going to open it for you. It's got a lot of wrapping on it. So I'm going to get myself a coffee, and maybe I'll do that on a video so you can see how easy it is to put this delicious coffee in your life. All right, here we go. So it is the dishwashing liquid, and it has this awesome little squirt thing. Isn't that cool? How cute is it? I think it's cute. It looks like a mushroom. So that's all that's in this box. I needed some more coffee, and I wanted to try the dishwashing liquid. So if you're interested in either one, which I suggest that why not buy coffee and why not buy dish detergent that's actually affordable and works and tastes, well, this tastes delicious. Why not? So I hope that you've had fun with this unboxing, and I appreciate you as always, and I'll see you in the next video.